Hello, gadget lovers. You know me, I'm all about sharing cool, practical finds that make life easier and cooler. And this product does exactly that. The first thing that caught my eye was the design. It's futuristic, but not over the top, just the right amount of flair to elevate your space. It's compact, lightweight, and built like a tank despite its sleek appearance. But here's where it gets even better. It's not just about looks. This thing is a multitasking beast. Whether you're a techie looking to upgrade your setup or a student needing something reliable, this product checks every box. The best part? The price is jaw-droppingly good. You'd think